This video will show you how to use the smart trading robot with the MT5 backtester. Enter your email. Then select Download Free Trial. The download will begin and save the file to your computer. Open the location of the downloaded file. Then open the .zip file and copy the files inside. Head over to your MT5 terminal. Open your data folder and paste the copied files in the path as shown in the video. After this, right-click on Advisors and select Refresh. In the next step, we will add smarttradingrobots.com to the web request URL list. This additional step is necessary if you have purchased a license and want to use it with a demo or live trading account. If you are only using the trial version, you can skip this step for now. Now you can open the MT5 strategy tester to start running your own back tests. Select Single Backtest. Select the new smart trading robot you have just added to the MT5 in the expert selection. Start by completing the rest of the settings for the symbol you would like to backtest, the time frame, date period, modeling, deposit size and leverage. The Inputs tab will have all the different variables for the smart trading robot. These variables are unique for each bot. You can change these values in the first column before every back test you want to run. Select Visual Mode if you want to see the smart trading robot open and close trades. Then select Start to begin the back test. The visualization on the left lets you see the smart trading robot in action, opening and closing trades according to the variables inputs in the previous step. The graph on the right shows the balance and equity growth change over time. If you plan to run multiple back tests, you can choose to run the strategy tester without visualization. This will give you results faster, by only showing the balance and equity growth graph. If you are not satisfied with the back test results, you can go back to your settings and inputs to change the different variables, like timeframe and date period. Continue this process until the back tester yields results you are satisfied with. With each run you can view the results in the backtest tab. We highly recommend you run multiple back tests with the MT5 strategy tester. The various input parameters for the smart trading robots make them powerful trading tools. Thank you for watching.